Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Buki Oweyo. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So this is a part 2 of my Neewer ring light unboxing video, and this part is going to be the review part of it. So as you must have seen in my part 1 video, in the unboxing video, how the packaging and everything looks like. So now let's talk about the ring light itself, about the delivery, where I got the ring light, and my thoughts on the ring light itself. So in case I'm looking down, I've got most of the points written on my phone because I don't want to forget anything at all. So first I ordered the ring light on Amazon, and before I settle for this same particular one, I've done so many research, watched so many videos, I've googled so many research reviews and everything before I finally settled for this one. Okay, now let's talk about the delivery. I ordered it and I got it delivered the next day from Amazon. How amazing is that? And let's move on to the ring light itself. This particular one I got is 14 inches inner and 18 inches outer. I believe there are some that are 10 inches inner, 14 inches outer, or 8 inches inner and 12 inches outer, but this one that I got is 14 inches inner and 18 inches outer. And guys, this ring light is massive. It's bigger than what I thought it will be. You know, the size is big. The reason I got this ring light is because sometimes I have time to film in the evening, but because I haven't got any lighting, and that kind of like put me away from filming. And also most times when I'm filming using the natural lighting, the natural lighting kind of like mess up most times, that a lot of times. So most of the time when I finish filming and I watch the video quality, I just delete it. That happens to me several times. So that kind of like sum up the reason why I ordered this ring light. Now let's move on to the packaging. The packaging is well packed. Like, it's well packed. Like as you must have seen in my part 1 video, on the box itself it's written "handle with care, fragile." That is, the delivery courier or the people sorting out the order or whatever will know that the item in this bag or in this package is breakable. So that's one thing I love about it, because a lot of people say when they got the ring light, the packaging wasn't stated "handle with care" or "fragile." So my packaging, my box did actually say that "handle with care" and "fragile." From the big carton box, you have this black Neewer box or bag in there. I said the ring light was very protected in the back. So the bag opens up like so, and here we have all the foams, or I don't know what this is called, that protects the ring light. So this actually covers the ring light. And at the bottom here, as you must have seen in my part 1 video, this is where the ring light, what's it called, like the part that goes into your stand. This is where it comes out from. In here was where the diffusers were, and yeah, so this is removable. You can see how thick that looks. You can see how thick that is. So the ring light was well packaged and well protected. The packaging, I will rate the packaging 10 over 10. I'm actually filming with the lights on right now. So the light comes with a diffuser. Another thing I love about the ring light is that it comes with 1 year, what is it? It comes with 1 year warranty, and this is the warranty certificate. A lot of people do say the ring light does not come with installation instruction, but mine did came with installation instructions, and also I got a certificate for 1 year warranty. The ring light also comes with soft tube, and this is used if you want to bend your ring light, if you already mount it on the stand and you want to bend it. Now let's talk about the stand. I'm actually using the ring light like I said. I've got my camera mounted on it. The stand is quite tall. It's about 6 feet tall. I like that. As I'm filming right now, I'm standing and doing this. I'm 5'6" tall, and the stand is 6 feet tall. And yeah, overall packaging, everything is on point. I love it, but there is one but, and the but is that the stand is not strong enough. It's not steady. If you're not careful, your camera will fall off. As I'm filming, I'm so scared. I'm scared that my camera will fall off this tripod. I will not be filming using my camera on the light stand. I'd rather film with my camera on the tripod than to film with my camera on the light stand, because it's not steady. It's very shaky. As I'm talking, I'm scared, because if you have a very expensive camera mounted on it, it will fall over. Trust me, it will fall over. And having kids that run around every now and then, that's the only thing I don't like about it. That is the only thing I do not like about the old lighting and standing. Just the stand. I wish they can do. Oh goodness, I'm so scared right now, you guys. I wish this stand can be more sturdy than the way it is. It's shaking. My camera is shaking on it, and yeah, that's it basically. Overall, I will rate it 9/10. I love this. Now I'm gonna turn off the lighting so you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? So this is me with the ring light on, and also the ring light I got is a dimmable one. I can dim it. I can, you can see a little washed out, and that's the lowest. So yeah, I can dim it. It's a dimmable ring light, 14 inches inner and 18 inches outer. So my lovelies, this brings it to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I will appreciate if you can hit that subscribe button. It will really help me a lot in my journey, and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I have new video uploaded, you'll be the first to know. And also share this video with your friends and family. Leave me a beautiful comment, give it a huge thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much. Till I come your way, lovelies.